50th. He leads the force out, the captain. They're away from home for the final time in the regular season, hoping to end an 11-game losing streak outside Australia since 2022. Leads his team out on to Churchill Park for the final time before heading overseas. They're coming off their worst performance at home, going down 34-5 to the Blues in Suva.
Their combination around line-out time has been first class this year, and their back row, Will Harris, Kane, Boogie Korteka, and the old bull, Princep.
Henry Robertson will partner with Christchurch-born Alex Harbour in the halves. A change in the centre pairing with the young Pasi Toa and Sarah Tompkinson getting their shot. I really like the look of the back three with Matt Greeley and Bailey Kunzel accompanying the veteran Curly Bill. It'll be that man in the 15 jersey who will play a big part if they are to get the win here this afternoon.
On the bench, Brendan Paenga-Ramosa is back. He's missed the last 4 games through injury. Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula. Week 14 is underway in Lautoka. And the first touch for the inside centre, Pasi Toa. That's a 22. To wide, taken by Korteka. Armstrong-Ravula out the back, and it's a loose ball. It's been picked up by Greeley. So an opportunity here as Williams takes it into the 22 for the Force. And they go to the short side. Robertson got the ball back on the inside, and it's a try to the Western Force. And it is Tompkinson. Well, that came pretty much from nothing because it was all the Drua. They weren't going anywhere. So another advantage being played here. And there's the penalty. And he's going to go to the pocket.
Got 10 metres under pressure. No, can't go through this one.
Patience has to be the key for the Drua to set things up, and they'll get the points off the back of their patience.
Well, that's a great dropout by the Force. And so the Drua have to start again from inside their own territory. Salala, not sure which way to go, so he gives it to Marcy, who got a great ball away the long and Marcy. He's got a player on the inside. Here it is for the Fijian Drua, and Philip Salala is going to score the 5-pointer.
Let's see that replay again from that pass from Yosefa Marcy. That was a miracle ball. How did he get that away? Longani Marcy is on the left wing, but he creeps over to the right to be that extra man. My, that was special. Numbers, Basalala. He was a bit unsure where it was going to go. We can see it again. He's at the base of the ruck. He's looked left. He goes right. Double pumps. Marcy, watch this ball here. Stop that. Longani Marcy just gets a nice ball on the inside to Basalala for a fantastic try from the Fijian Drua.
Set for Marcy.
That's 20
that
seconds to go.
Pure Tua-esque. The way he offloaded. What a try.
Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula looking to level the scores. 15 metres in from touch, and he's got it. So we're locked up at 7-all in Lautoka. Good scrum from the home team. They've got advantage here. Koivana comes away with it. Salala, Armstrong-Ravula tries to chip over the top. The chase is on. Who wants it? It's still on the ground. And it sits up nicely for Yosefa Marcy. He's got his first try in 2025. Welcome back, Mr. Marcy.
There he is. He is back. He scored plenty last year in his last game in Drua colours on Fijian soil in the Sugar City. He touches over for a great try.
Eventually goes back and cleans up just outside his 22, and the number 8 charges back at them. And the penalty. He was isolated. He's got the distance. What's the direction like? It's over. They extend the lead. It's 17-7. It's the Fijian Drua over the Western Force.
Yeah, I feel like Armstrong-Ravula is just having a great game here, really managing and understanding his role in the moment. He can find momentum through his kicking, through his pass selection. Doesn't have to overplay his hand, and it's going to give his team a lot of confidence.
Lautoka taken by Lautoka. And the siren sounds in the background, so Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula will put it into touch. And that's the end of the first half at Churchill Park in Lautoka. Into the start of the second half, and we are underway. Such a big 40 minutes required from the Western Force if they're going to keep their slim hopes of reaching the playoffs alive.
Call him the motopai, which means motorcycle. He hit a few gears there, that's for sure.
Carlo Muntz is out there in 23 for the Drua. Here's the scrum, the shove, picked up by Lautoka. Down the short side. Cuff, charge his way over. Basalala, a little slow to get back there. The shove coming. Tuai was there though to clean it up and save the day. And now Lautoka reaches out and puts it down. Now he got it down. Was he entitled to make that movement?
I think it's a dynamic movement getting there. On-field decision's a try.
I think it is a try. I don't think he was held, so he could. There it is.
We've confirmed it. Use it.
Penny Ravai from a standing start. Bit of a settler from Penny. A look to go to the left, and so Tuai advantage is being played here. High tackle. Muntz. Ravu Taumunda. And Longamasi back on the inside. It's still play on. Basalala. He's a couple of metres out for the Drua.
Let it come. Use it.
Marcy. Lautoka. Pick and go again. Crowd starts to get involved. They're over. It's a try to the Fijian Drua. And it is a double to Elia Lautoka, the man with the big motor. Replacement scrum half to feed the scrum, Leone Nawai. The arm goes out. Oh, here is Nawai having a run, getting the little ball from his number 8, and now the kick downtown. Greeley getting back there. Pullman also in 23. The defence piles in for the Drua. It's going to come back, and Ravu Taumunda scores! Celestino Ravu Taumunda. He got one last week. He's got another one today. And then there's the turnover. And here comes Dolakoto. Marcy. Rakuro. Oh, and it's forward. That's a crowd try.
Back here, we have a forward pass.
They think it's a try, but no, the whistle is gone. And that is full time. So Dolakoto denied a try at the end. But the Fijian Drua, they've done it again in Lautoka.